everybody. I have a treadmill and I just wanted to share what I'm so super excited about because it's been a good treadmill for me, but all of a sudden the buttons, when I pressed on them, no longer operated, at least 90% of the time. So I stand here and push and push and push, hoping and praying that one of the buttons would work, at least to start, at least so I could get a little bit of workout in. I ran across a double-sided tape fix, and I decided to give it a shot, and lo and behold, it worked. You're gonna need three things: your screwdriver, a flathead, some of this double-sided 3M tape, and a pair of scissors, of course. And so what I did was I peeled back the panel covering. So I just put my little flathead screwdriver down there and lifted it up. So I'll show you how that works. And it's very sticky, so I just placed it here. Then this plastic cover that goes on top of the control panel, I just put my screwdriver right behind that and just lifted it up, okay? Once I did that, I cut these little tiny strips, because you can see this is about 1 inch wide tape. So I cut some smaller strips and made these little bitty pieces with the double-sided tape. And then I just stuck them behind wherever there was sticky tape. I stuck them behind each one of these placements. So I'm trying to do this with one hand, so forgive me. But nonetheless, I put a piece here. You can't see it because this course is clear. And I put a strip here, a strip all the way down through the middle, because there was some there prior. So nonetheless, since I did that, all the buttons started working, and I'm just blown away that this simple fix worked. This cost me $5. So it was a $5 fix. I push start now, and everything works. So let me show you where it would, if I had my cover back on, that all the buttons work. So this is start. This is my first speed, second. So once you separate all those buttons, then it can then function. So, but nonetheless, it all works great now. Every button works. This is my incline, my speed, start. All the buttons work as they once did. So I'm super thrilled, and I hope this helps you like it did me. All right, take care and have a great day.